Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. I'm now explaining to you about Dr. Joe's second lesson in the intensive workshop. What I just learned is that you have to be aware of your thoughts. Just as previously explained, he talks about how we can be aware of our thoughts, and if we observe our thoughts, that we can empower them. So if I observe my thoughts, say I was thinking something about, I don't know, about someone, and say I was saying my friend is really stupid because he's just not very clever, I don't know. And I need to be aware of that and think, is this a thought that I want to empower? So am I believing it? How much energy am I putting into this thought? And if I can observe, and so I always think of observing, I'm here and I'm looking at myself and watching myself having this thought, I can actually filter out what I'm thinking. So I can say change and then exchange that thought for another. So I found that really interesting. And he talks about this empowerment of thoughts. So if I'm not believing what I'm thinking, then obviously there's not enough energy, so it won't necessarily affect anything in reality. That's what I understood. So just to let you know, because Dr. Joe always goes on about poke the person next to you, and I can't poke anyone because there's no one here to poke them. So I just thought I'd let you know. Okay, thank you.